Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica. And today we are tour. We're going on virtual reality experience game shop. Something like that. Yes, there's a game shop in Mandeville that offers that experience. And it's on Caledonia Mall. So let's go. We're ready.
So Caledonia Mall used to be this fun, exciting, vibrant mall, the hottest mall in Mandeville. And then time passed and it kind of just get a little bit blah. But this virtual reality experience down here will definitely lift up the vibrancy, the spirit of the mall. So the store is called Signs and Designs. They print, they photocopy, do signs, whole heap of things, and also the virtual reality experience. Yeah.
So excited. So excited. I'm so excited.
As you can tell, I'm well excited. Alright, so this is the boxing game. If you want to box, they have that option. And then the other option for the game is the planking one, where it's like you're walking out on this plank in the middle of a skyscraper. And then this one now is like a dancing one where you hit things out of the way. I love this one. Okay, so this is the owner's son, and he was the one who helped us get the virtual reality equipment or gears together. This is the owner, and I must say his son is really smart. Man, when I grow up, when I have a son in the future, I want him to be just like him.
Oh my lord!
We'll actually walk more.
They know more. Wait.
Alright guys, so I tried the zombie game first because I felt like I could handle it, but I almost hit the guy, the kid in his face, so I had to take it off and try something else, something more calming. I want to be able to sleep at night, and I'm not into the zombie one, so I decided to try the dancing one, which is more up in my alley and personality.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still no, man, I still go. Go, 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 still go, 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 slow, go, still go, go, let's go, go, still go. I never ran, so no, man, I still go.
I couldn't hear anything the guy was saying. I was like so caught up, and I really needed a little time to get back down into reality, but it was so good. Alright, this is my husband now, and he's going to try the boxing one. Yeah, the boxing one looked really good, so I think males would definitely love this one. By the way, I'm not going to show my husband too much, because I really love the palm of my camera. And then we were like, let our daughter give this a try. And we were like, if it got too scary, we have to take it off. She was watching like dinosaurs and stuff.
Yes, I think that. Yeah, I think. Let me know if you know. Let me know.
You like dinosaur? No.
The dinosaurs started to fight, and I was like, nope, I ain't letting my daughter watch this. So I just quickly say, oh, take this off right now, you see me? I do not want her to have any scary dreams in the night. So that was enough. She enjoyed herself. She get to watch little dinosaur and do what mommy and daddy do by putting on this thing over their heads.
You like that?
Just to do dinosaur.
You gotta stop.
He said stop that.
If you're in Mandeville town, please come to Caledonia Mall. Please come to Caledonia Mall and experience this in Mandeville. There's fun things to do in Mandeville, and this is one of them. So just ask where you can get the virtual reality experience, and just come right here. Bye. Thanks for watching.